Hey guys, welcome back. I have some fun accessories to install today. It should be a short, fun Sunday afternoon project, so let's get started. All the parts I'm installing today are from a company called Fabrication, and to be completely transparent, I reached out to them and I told them that I'm not asking anything for free, but I just wanted to support and showcase their products because I think it's awesome that there are still people out there making parts for a dying platform. So that tells me they are a true Tiburon enthusiast and doing it out of passion, not for profit. And so I ordered the Radiator brackets for full price, and they were kind enough to send me this gauge cluster surround and these cargo cover clips, which by the way are not officially for sale yet and hasn't been fully tested, so they sent this out for me to test. These brackets are an upgraded option to replace the OEM brackets that rust over time. They are 3D printed in TPU rubber bushings and are available in carbon fiber or brushed aluminum, which will never rust and is more rigid. This TPU material is UV stable, so they won't deteriorate like the OEM ones. Installation is very easy. Remove one bracket at a time. Wow, it's really that simple, huh? And install the new one with the provided hardware. Next up is the gauge cluster surround. This is laser cut brushed aluminum, but it's also available in real carbon fiber. It also comes with the choice of the Tiburon or Tuscany lettering, which is good attention to detail. I should note that my gauges are the older style that has the smaller screen and one trip reset button, whereas this gauge surround is for the newer style with a larger screen and 2 buttons. I still think it looks way better even though it's not specifically for these gauges, and it doesn't bother me, so I'm gonna keep it in, but I just wanted to point this out. I did a test fit on the updated gauges that I have on the wall, and that's what it looks like. So that was my review and installation of those 3 products from Fabrication. They are very high quality and the fitment is great, and even the packaging was very good. So I highly recommend this company. And as you can see, I don't have a cargo cover, so I can't test this out. So I'll be getting one so I can put this to the test. If you have any questions about the products I installed today, or any of their products, you can reach out to Fuse Fabrication directly. You can either reach them through Instagram, Facebook, or their website. And speaking of websites, if you guys haven't seen my shirt already, check out the description below for merch. That really helps me out. These are high quality, embossed, not printed, so they will last for a long time. And lastly, I have something exciting coming for the Tiburon. My engine is still toast, and that's a problem that I'm ignoring until I can get a new engine. But in the meantime, I'm still gonna continue to do other things. I'm very excited for this. It's my first time doing interior, so expect to see that in the future videos. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.